championships, including a historic Grand Slam just this year. This team has consistently set the standard for Philippine volleyball with their unparalleled excellence and teamwork. It's now time to meet the talented stars who make up this extraordinary team, starting with your local team players. So this means these players are from Canada, but they're joining Greenland Toastmasters tonight. So we'll start off with Layla Millington. Up next, let's call on Clara Serrano. Please give it up for Lara Musa. Big hand for Charlene Anasio. Give it up as well for Princess Stakana. Give it up for the select players from Calgary and surrounding areas, ladies and gentlemen. And it's now time to meet the players who have experienced the highest level of volleyball competition in the Philippines and around the world. First, a promising young talent for defensive skills and agility. She's a libero with great potential and determination. Standing 5'4" from Toronto, Canada, Aliyah Joy Torres! Next, bringing height and precision to the team is an emerging setter from my wife's alma mater, the University of the Philippines. Standing 5'8", please welcome Bea Bonifant! Now one of the league's most reliable liberos and a crowd favorite for her energy and quick reflexes. Standing 5'3" from the Ateneo de Manila University, please give it up for Maria Carmela Ella De Jesus! Taking charge of the team's offense with her playmaking brilliance is a seasoned setter from my alma mater, Far Eastern University. Standing 5'8", let's hear it for Kyle Negrito, the PBL Best Setter of 2023. Next, a versatile and consistent performer on both ends of the court. She's an outside hitter who has won the PVL Best Outside Hitter Award. Standing 5'7" from Far Eastern University, give it up for Bernadette Pons! Up next is a dynamic scorer and leader whose explosive attacks light up every game. The PBL Finals MVP of 2022 and a multiple-time Best Outside Hitter. At 5'7" from Adamson University, please give it up for Gemma Galanta! Finally, the team's also
Shout
celebrating
out,
player
Alex,
of the three-time
from
PBL
Standoff.
MVP. Known for her powerful hits and clutch plays, standing 5'8", the opposite hitter from the University of
Watching
the Philippines
Creamline
is a true
Smasher.
volleyball superstar. Please give it up for Josh Carlos! And of course, this amazing team is led by their brilliant technician, Coach Sherwin Meneses, and his trusted assistant, Coach Mark Carbon. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Coach Sherwin and Coach Mark. Okay, let's get this going, ladies and gentlemen. Your Creamline Dual Smashers against Andreas.
Pacha. Shout out from Standoff, Alberta. Parang nakalingkod kog something. Ako ba? Balo, ako kabalo. Dito yata sa pagpangalaman. Basin kuan. Kay mulingkod ko na may basa o yung muhikam ko sa kung wala man. Itanaw ko na basin ko tubok na man. Siyempre, dito kasama sa mucho mag-kuan kay support local. Local. To be continued later.
Back-to-back points for Creamline Dual Smashers.
Full day direct tinungko. Hindi kasi. Maring Gemma!
Another angled attack for Gemma Balanza. They've been finding that corner on the other side. They've been successful with the attacks on that side of that corner for Creamline Dual Smashers. Off the block, point for Olivia Foley. 17 serving, 14, 3-point lead for Andreas. And they lost that first set. Point for Bea Bonifay from the middle. And guess who's coming back? Tots Carlos. Carlos to serve for Creamline Dual Smashers.
Go Tots!
Down the line hit for Plata. 18 serving, 15. Andreas. So Andreas keeping Creamline at bay here in the second set. Miscommunication on the Andreas side there. They let that one go away. Point for Creamline. UP's Bea Bonifay to serve. Point for Andreas, 19 18 serving 16.
Seryoso na sila. Wala na pa sa gawang show. Wala kasing ano, hindi man ano kasi kailangan ano.
Gemini Galanza with a power tip to the middle.
Dalawa.
Ay, Maring Gemma.
Sis na lang, oy.
Maring Gemma, ginasa tawag. Maring Gemma,
Her name is Lindot Jessica Margaret. Oh. Oh, yes.
Galing. Galing.
You're big first, and then she asked for it. Give it to me. And she showed them how it's done. Back to a 3-point lead for Andreas. 20, serving 17.
Sayang.
Service error there for Andreas. 18, serving 20. So, serving Coach Mark chopping the most themselves there. Down to a 1-point lead. Here comes Greenline, ladies and gentlemen. They've got the Ducks into one. And we are now tied at 20. Adam Rodrigo to serve. Time out, Andreas! This time out is brought to you by Gaston Group of Companies.
Nilalagnat. Kaya akala ko muli na sila.
Okay, mo nang kaya ng gamot?
Ladies and gentlemen, are you still enjoying this match? Wow, great reaction. We'll see if Andreas can come away with the win here in set number 2 to tie us at 1-1 or win a Greenline. Complete their second set comeback and make this a 2-0 game. We'll count as we return to their second set.
Anong oras na ba? Yeah. Magpasalubong. Magdadaan tayo. Yeah, pasalubungin ko yung si ninyo chicken.
Yeah, ako Everyone's been waiting for the jump serve.
Chicken naman po diha. Di man siya makog spaghetti, mga burger. Chicken lang.
Gobe! Ay, ganda!
Naku ka talaga.
From the back, there's a touch, so that's a point for Andreas. Excellent time out for Andreas. They break that momentum by Greenline. Now they get a point. Off the block, it goes out. Point for Bernadette Pons. Substitution. Ella De Jesus for Layla Millington. De Jesus to serve for Greenline, where it's tied at 21.
Cherry Rondina kay Beach Valley man ni sila. International. Si Rondina ka sa Komotso.
And they're on the receive for Andreas. Point for Ella De Jesus and Greenline Blue Smashers. They're now ahead by 1 point here in set number 2.
Wait, ilahan na may kasalod.
Back-to-back Mr. CC for Andreas. Green line. Finding that right here towards the end of the second set. They're up by 2, 23-21. For Ella De Jesus. And guess who's at set point now? Green line, Cool Smashers.
Last one.
Through the block, Point and Reyes. So that stops that 3-0 run for Green line. Let's see if Ann Reyes can survive this second set and come away with a win. Or will Green line Cool Smashers take a commanding 2-0 set? Point for Ann Reyes. Can they tie this second set at 24 and force a deuce?
Buti na may pinapasok. Tapos paguman, labas. Talaga, huwag na lang papasok.
Perfectly timed hit. They're tied at 24. Remember, a 2-point advantage to win the set in volleyball.
Three.
1-1 na.
3. Oh, 3. Pons. Kita may position na.
3 out of 5.
Di, 3 siya. 3. So, humatak si Carlos sa 3.
Against the next point, they
Middle.
win set number 2 and tie this game at 1-1.
Tayo mo likod. Tayo mo likod.
Wala na dahil, wala pa man. Gani, lapis.
Ouch! Habit!
Off the block, it's a point for Bernadette Juans. We're trying to get at 25.
Isang basa na yung ano eh. Isang basa na yung palo. Pons. Inside. Inside.
That's out, sis. Our referees.
Pasok, oy, inside.
And Green Line Cool
Inside.
Smashers take set number 2, 27-25 to take a 2-0 lead here.
Review natin.
They win the next set. And there was a touch on the neck. And that means that's the end of the ball game. 25-20 for your winner, the 10-time PBL champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for your Green Line Cool Smashers!
You're the champion, my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will have a post-game message from one of the best players of Dreamline Pool Smashers, number 18, Todd Stardust, to give a short message to everyone who joined us tonight.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you for having us here tonight. Special thanks to our sponsors who are very supportive and talagang pinalaman dito sa Canada to see you all, and we're really happy that you guys showed up and really enjoyed the game. So we can't wait to play more games in other cities. So nakakatuwa na nakikita namin lahat kayo na sumusuporta even though nasa ibang bansa. So masaya-masaya po kami na we really appreciate all your efforts, all your support, and everything you do for the team. Maraming salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Todd Stardust and the Dreamline Pool Smashers! And for those who have the special bands, you will have the opportunity for your photo op with the